ever feel drained, foggy, or like inflammation is holding you back? This energy, brain, and inflammation essentials panel is your key to understanding and addressing the root causes of these challenges. This at-home test empowers you to optimize your energy, your brain health, and overall wellness. Did you know over 60% of adults globally are omega-3 deficient, and vitamin B12 deficiency is increasingly common as we age? These hidden gaps can impact your energy, brain function, and inflammation control. This test provides actionable insights to help you take back control of your health. Your energy and immunity start with the basics. Vitamin D supports bone health, mood regulation, and a resilient immune system. Yet low levels are common, linked to fatigue and increased risk of chronic diseases. Vitamin B12 is vital for energy, nerve health, and red blood cell production. Deficiencies can lead to tiredness, memory issues, and nerve damage, especially for women over 40. Testing these markers uncovers deficiencies that might be holding you back. Your fatty acid profile plays a critical role in reducing inflammation and protecting your heart and brain. EPA and DHA, two powerful omega-3s, support brain function, cardiovascular health, and lower inflammation. The omega-3 index and omega-3/omega-6 ratio provide a clear picture of your anti-inflammatory capacity. Balancing these fatty acids can transform your health by addressing chronic inflammation and reducing disease risks. We also measure your arachidonic acid AA levels and their balance with omega-3s. A high AAEPA ratio signals increased inflammation, putting you at greater risk for heart disease and chronic conditions. A higher EPA-AA ratio reflects your body's ability to manage inflammation and maintain long-term wellness. With the Energy, Brain, and Inflammation Essentials panel, you can uncover nutrient gaps, balance inflammation, and unlock your best self, all from the comfort of your home. Your health deserves clarity and action. Order your test today and take the first step toward a vibrant, energized, and inflammation-free life. Test. Don't guess.